The National Roblox Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for all of Roblox. Please close your doors and windows if you're in a house or building with more than one floor. Get to the lowest floor and go to a room with no windows. If you're in a vehicle, please get to the nearest shelter. If you're in a mobile home, take shelter immediately. If your mobile home isn't secured, please get to the nearest shelter. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Please get to the nearest shelter. This was a warning from the National Roblox Weather Service. The National Roblox Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for all of Roblox. Please close your doors and windows if you're in a house or building with more than